Good morning and welcome from Da Nang, Vietnam. Today is going to be the last day here in Da Nang, and trust me, I'm going to miss this place because not only is the vibe beautiful here, but also the people and also their food. So I have covered the Bana Hills and also the Mai Ki beach area in my last videos. You can always check that out. It's in my playlist only of Da Nang. And today in this video we are going to cover one of the most popular and attractive destinations here in Da Nang, Vietnam, which is the Marble Mountains. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. And if you like the content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Right now we have reached the main gate of the Marble Mountain. It took us 10 minutes time to reach from the Mai Ki beach area in Da Nang, and we'll be climbing up the 156 stairs to the top and show you how it looks from there. So come on, let's go. As you can see, there are a lot of marble structures out here near the Marble Mountain area on both sides of the road, and you can actually buy from these places. These are very authentic and the structures are very good. As you can see, there are some stores also nearby to buy some hats. It's very hot right here, and the temperature is a bit different than what we expected or what we actually got in Da Nang. So right now this is the entrance gate towards the mountain, and right over here is the elevator which you can also use to climb up. There's a total of 156 stairs, and we are going to climb up by feet only. If you are using this lift, it is going to cost you around 20,000 Vietnamese dong. So come on, let's go. You can see some beautiful souvenir shops out here on the way up. And right here is the place to actually buy the tickets also to go up to the top of the Marble Mountain. So this is the place from where we are going to collect our tickets. Let me just show you. The entrance ticket here is 40,000 Vietnamese dong, and if you are using the elevator, it will cost you 15,000 Vietnamese dong more one way. So for both way is 30,000 Vietnamese dong, and it will take you around 3 to 4 minutes time to reach to the top. So right over here is the gate, and this is the way to climb up the 156 stairs up to the top of the Marble Mountain. So let's go. basically there are 5 mountains here in this place, out of which the one which we are climbing are accessible for visitors. The ticket prices here, as I've already told you, is 400,000 dong per head, which is almost around 140 Indian rupees. And if you are climbing up through the elevator, you have to pay 15,000 dong more. That is almost around 40-50 rupees. It took us around 10 minutes time to climb up to this particular spot, but the climb is not done yet. You can see in the background we have to climb up again to the top. So this is actually the first halt in this place. It's a beautiful temple, as you can see. So come on, let's move up.
Wapas jangan teman. The marble sculptures here are excellent, as you can see, and I've already told you that there are a lot of stores down there from where you can buy. So we have reached the top of the marble mountain here at Da Nang, and right behind me is the pagoda, which you can see. It normally takes around 15 minutes time to reach to this particular place from down where we have parked our car. The vibe here in the Marble Mountain is absolutely beautiful, and we have also covered some beautiful caves on the way in this Vietnam series also, which includes the Mua Caves. So you can always check that out. That's in the Hanoi playlist. So right now we are walking down the stairs, and I hope you have loved this beautiful place, which is going to cost you almost around 150 Indian rupees to come, and it will take almost around an hour to explore this beautiful place. So if you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any queries, do let me know in the comment section below. See you all again in the next video. Bye bye, take care.